Meet the walrus, one of the largest and strangest animals in the Arctic Ocean. With massive tusks, thick wrinkled skin, and hundreds of stiff whiskers around its mouth, the walrus looks almost like a creature from another world. But every part of its body is designed to help it survive in freezing Arctic waters. A full-grown walrus can weigh over 1,500 kilograms and grow up to 12 feet long. Both males and females have long tusks that can reach more than 3 feet in length. These tusks are actually giant teeth that never stop growing. Walruses use them to pull themselves out of icy water, defend themselves from predators, and battle other walruses during mating season. Their whiskers are one of their most powerful tools. These sensitive whiskers help walruses detect food hidden deep in the dark ocean floor. They mostly eat clams, snails, worms, and shellfish. Once they find their prey, they use their strong mouths to suck the animal out of its shell like a vacuum cleaner. Even though walruses look heavy and slow on land, they are excellent swimmers. They use their powerful flippers to move through freezing water and can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes while diving for food. Walruses are also highly social animals. Huge groups of them gather together on beaches and floating ice, creating loud sounds with grunts, whistles, and roars that echo across the Arctic. But today, climate change is becoming a serious threat. As Arctic ice melts, walruses are losing the places where they rest, breed, and raise their young. Despite their unusual appearance, walruses are powerful survivors perfectly built for life in one of the coldest environments on Earth. Follow for more.